Hi folks, welcome to ISOM251 Operations Management. This is week 4. This week we're going to be talking about quality management, or quality, total quality, all those things that have to do with quality. One of the things I want to remind everyone is make sure you get your assignments in every week and you keep up with the readings. The tests are going to be coming up a lot faster than anybody thinks about, and it's important that you have good background information in all the vocabulary that's covered in each of the chapters. So this week I want to talk a little bit about my first big experience with quality as a production supervisor for Siebel Corning Diagnostics. It's a company that got bought out. So it's called something completely different if it still exists at all. But as a production supervisor, one of the things we did was we put connectors on wires that would then connect to PC boards. So, hopefully you can see this. So you'd have the wire fit into the clinches. The back clinch would grab the insulation. The front clinch would grab the wires. Well, what had happened is one of our automatic clinching machines had malfunctioned and had come out of adjustment, and so it was only getting about a 50% cinch on the insulation one back here. We thought the front part was being fully engaged. What would happen if that wasn't fully engaged is if somebody pulled on the wire could come out. Not all of them were like that, but many of them were. My thought process and the technician's thought process was, it's no big deal, we have a partial cinch. Once the wires are actually enclosed in the instrument that we were making, nobody would mess with it. Well, much to my chagrin, what happened actually is, because it wasn't fully engaged and wasn't fully secured, what would happen is, after shipping, there's a lot of vibration when you ship something, and the wires would end up backing out and becoming disattached, and the instrument would fail when it got to the customer. Not a good thing. I thought it was a small thing. Nobody got that terribly bent out of shape. The people who had experience in the area thought it would be safe. We were all wrong. We ended up with 5 or 6 instruments that failed when they got to the field. The issue is, anything that's not right in operations, in production, in service, where something's not doing exactly what you expect, you really have to pay attention to and not accept. Quality management. Everybody's responsible for quality. That's the essence of total quality management. Everybody has a step in the operation, has a stake in the operation, has a stake in the quality of the product, and if you don't step up to the plate and take care of that, you'll end up with bad product in the field. Now, as it turned out, after a fairly frustrating hour-long search through the back of the instrument to cinch down all the parts, the service engineers were able to get the device operational, but that's a fairly embarrassing thing to have happen, especially on an instrument that cost about $60,000 to $70,000. Not a good thing. Folks, this is important. Thanks. Bye.